Hi, this is Red. I want to show you how to scale objects down and replicable place them into your 3D Skybox. Imagine this could be the border of your level, and the green blocks need to be placed inside your 3D Skybox. They all have the same distance to the teal center of the world. First, I copy the whole setup to the right, just to show you later, and a little bit as an insurance now. I select all objects I need to have inside the 3D Skybox, and then I increase the grid size to 512. I press Ctrl M for transformation tool, select the radio button for scale. I type in 0.0625, the decimal value of 1/16. Copy this value and paste it to the other axis. Now that my objects are scaled down, I move them 10 times to the west. The first step was making a copy by using Shift and left arrow. I move it 10 times to the north, and then I move it 10 times up. This is the replicable position of my 3D Skybox, 5,120 units away from the center of the world in 3 directions. These scaled down blocks here were left as a reference. Now imagine you have changed the green block in southwest as you liked it, and now you want to move it inside your 3D Skybox. You see, the center of the selected object is here in the middle of the brush. Again, we press Ctrl M, scale, and paste, paste, paste. And then, as we expect, it does not end up in the same position in which the first one ended up. As we could see, the scaling direction is always to the center of the selection. We have this unpleasant distance to the center of the normal level in the world and the same distance inside the 3D Skybox section. What can we do? Let's browse texture, skip, create a new brush which is surrounding our objects. Its edges must be equal and its center must be perfectly in the middle of the world. The same procedure, Ctrl M, scale, paste, paste, paste. Fire, and succeeded. Now the edges perfectly line up with the original ones. I have the skip textured brush for my 3D Skybox right here next to my level, and I have the small scaled down one too for the same procedure in reverse order. In this case, I use the skip textured brush as a sketch. I needed to know where I have to place this wall to limit the view from this window to the garden section here, and from the garden to the window. Remember, there are no mistakes, just happy little accidents, except you're crashing your 3D Skybox. Happy mapping!